The Holder Export and Import feature allows you to generate a CSV file containing the holders attached to a certificate, as well as to import holders using the same CSV template. This video will take you through this process in the context of a renewal workflow. First, we open last term's form. Open the Holder menu and select Export Holders List to CSV file. Place the file where it is easy to locate and then save without changing the type. The file that is created will open with Excel or any other application that opens CSV files. It is important that the header row is not changed and that any rows that you retain keep the number assigned in the first column. If I or the client wish to delete a holder, simply right-click the row number and select Delete. If I want to add holders to the list, I can add the information, leaving the first column blank. Once the changes are made, close and save the file. This may ask you if you wish to replace the file. Click Yes, then click Yes that you wish to keep using the CSV format. Meanwhile, in the program, you have added the new term form and perhaps pre-filled the information from the new term policies and the past term certificate without copying the certificate holders. In the Certificate Holders menu, select the Import Holders List from CSV File option. Browse to the updated CSV file and choose Open. This will import the holders as listed on the CSV file.